Welcome back to infyGyan, friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from radical equations. Here we have to evaluate real x if equation is 4x cube plus square root 121 equal to square root 175. So let's get started. I can write 4x cube equal to square root 175 minus square root 121. Now this side is positive, so I can say x cube will be positive, and for real x must be positive. Now I can factorize 175 as 25 times 7 and 121 is 11 square. Now square root and power 2 will be over, and here I can write 5 square root 7 minus 11. This is equal to 4x cube. Now let us multiply both sides by 2. So I will be writing here 2 times. So I will multiply here also by 2. So I can write LHS as 8x cube equal to 2 times 5, 10 root 7 minus 22. Or I can write 2x whole cube equal to 10 root 7 minus 22. Consider cube root both sides. So 2x will become cube root of 10 root 7 minus 22. Now divide both sides by 2. So x will be equal to cube root of 10 root 7 minus 22 divided by 2. Let me write here once. Cube root of 10 root 7 minus 22 divided by 2. This is our x. Now I will consider our numerator. This equal to m. So let me write here, let m equal to cube root of 10 root 7 minus 22. Now our answer will be m over 2. Now m is positive as right hand side is positive. So I will write here m cube. Cubing both sides, it will give us 10 root 7 minus 22. Let us consider n cube also. It will be 10 root 7 plus 22, the conjugate of m cube. Now I will take away second equation from first one. So m cube minus n cube, this will be equal to negative 44. Now I will consider product of these two. So m cube times n cube equal to 10 root 7 minus 22 times 10 root 7 plus 22. So let us apply the difference of two squares directly. Now 10 root 7 whole square is 100 times 7, 700 minus 22 square is 484. So this will become 216. Let me write here mn whole cube equal to 216 equal to 6 cube. After taking a square root both sides, we'll have mn is equal to 6. Now our first equation was m cube minus n cube equal to negative 44. Now I will use one algebraic identity, m minus n whole cube equal to m cube minus n cube minus 3mn m minus n. And now I will consider m minus n equal to a, suppose. So I will write our equation as a cube equal to m cube minus n cube. It is negative 44 minus 3 times mn is 6, m minus n we have considered a. So a cube equal to negative 44 negative 18a, or a cube plus 18a plus 44 equal to 0. This is one cubic equation. I will use method of factorization. Let us write a cube plus 18a plus 44 equal to 0. Now I can write 44 as 8 plus 36. So 8 will be here and 36 will be here. This is our 44. Now it is a cube plus 2 cube, and here once I will take 18 common, a plus 2 will be in the bracket. Now a cube plus b cube formula, I can write a plus 2 in other bracket, a square minus 2a plus 4 plus 18 times a plus 2 equal to 0. A plus 2 is common. So a plus 2 times a square minus 2a plus 4 plus 18 equal to 0, or a plus 2 times a square minus 2a plus 22 equal to 0. Conclusion from here, we can write a plus 2 will be equal to 0, or we can write this quadratic a square minus 2a plus 22 equal to 0. Now I will solve this quadratic first. So I will check the value of discriminant only. It is equal to b square, so minus 2 square minus 4 times a times c. Value will be 4 minus 88. So this value will come out minus 84. Discriminant is coming out negative. Complex solutions will be there. So rejected. Equation is rejected. So which equation or solution we are going to consider? It is from a plus 2 equal to 0 if possible. So I can write here a is equal to negative 2, and a was our substitution, m minus n equal to negative 2, and mn was 6. Let us use and solve for the value of m. So I will be writing here m minus n equal to negative 2 with mn equal to 6. So I can write from here n equal to 6 over m, which I will apply here in this equation. So m minus 6 over m equal to negative 2. Multiply both sides by m. So m square minus 6 equal to negative 2m, or m square plus 2m minus 6 equal to 0. Let us apply quadratic formula. M will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a minus 2 plus minus square root 28. So I can write 2 square root 7 over 2, or we can write -1 plus minus root 7. Now condition on m was m should be positive. So this minus will be rejected. So m will be root 7 minus 1. This will be accepted value of m. Now x is m over 2. So our answer will become root 7 minus 1 over 2. This is our method number 1. And let us see the shortcut method also, method 2. I will be writing here method 2. So equation was 4x cube equal to, this was 5 root 7 minus 11. Let us multiply both sides by 2. So I can write 8x cube equal to 10 root 7 minus 22. LHS will be 2x whole cube. RHS is, I will split 10 as 7 plus 3. So 7 root 7 plus 3 root 7, and minus 22 will be minus 21 minus 1. Let's rearrange the numbers. 7 root 7 minus 1 minus 21 plus 3 root 7. 7 root 7 is root 7 whole cube minus 1 is 1 whole cube, a cube minus b cube, minus 3 times root 7 square times 1, 3a square b, plus 3 root 7 b square. So it is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. It is the formula of a minus b whole cube. Here it is. So I can write 2x whole cube. It is equal to root 7 minus 1 whole cube. Consider cube root both sides. 2x will be equal to root 7 minus 1. So x will be equal to root 7 minus 1 over 2. So this is our final answer using second method. And this brings the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.